allspice roasted salmon with roasted cauliflower. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Combine olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and black pepper in a large bowl. Add cauliflower florets, toss well to coat. Arrange cauliflower in a single layer on a rimmed baking sheet. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until cauliflower is browned and tender. Combine the cauliflower mixture, cilantro, raisins, and lemon juice in a bowl, toss gently to combine. Step 3. Reduce oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Combine remaining 1/2 teaspoon cumin, remaining 1/2 teaspoon salt, coriander, and allspice in a small bowl. Rub spice mixture evenly over fillets. Arrange fillets, skin side down, on a foil-lined baking sheet coated with cooking spray. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes or until done. Serve with cauliflower mixture and lemon wedges.